Ningbo, Changrong Lighting and Electronics Technology Company Limited, established in 1999, is a company specializing in the R&D, sales, and service of rechargeable emergency lights, wall-mounted, portable, camping light included, Bluetooth lantern, rechargeable fans, and smart appliances. With more than 23 years of experience in designing and manufacturing, the company has a strong team of technical staffs and qualified workers working together to ensure the products in good quality, and the company was awarded ISO 9001-2015 and ISO 14001-2015 certification. Now there are nearly 600 employees, including 37 technicians in the company. Our company is powerful in technology and producing capability. Meanwhile, we accept OEM and ODM projects. We have our own designer, engineer, injection, PCB, pad print, spray paint, assembly line. So, we can make what you want. Our factory integrates the advanced Chinese production technology, the business insights of North America and Europe. The company is always committed to providing excellent products and services to customers all over the world. Our general manager and board chairman, Mr. Fu Rongpan, with his whole staff, warmly welcome customers both at home and abroad to have a visit and make business together for a brilliant future.